So I started real estate about 7 years ago, and every year since then we've grown exponentially. First year in business we did I think 150,000 naira in the first year, and this last year we're on track to do over 4 billion. How have we grown the business consistently over 7 years, and every year is usually better than the last? In this video, I'm going to tell you reasons why your business is not growing and things you can do to change it. Number one, you are not focused on sales. Every year, one of the major things we do is set a sales goal that is way higher than the last year's sales goal. So if this year we do 100 million, next year we set a goal for 1 billion or 500 million, and then we work towards that goal, because sales cures almost everything. Once you're selling, it's easy to fix every other problem. Once you're not selling, every other problem becomes 10 times worse because you don't have the money to fix it. So when you are not focused on sales, it becomes a challenge. I see a lot of business people, once they start making small money, they sit down at the back and then expect other people to sell, because now they are God, they don't have to work like that, they don't need to do it. At the end of the day, the business will collapse because no sale. So your focus, your primary focus should be, let the sale of this year be more than last year, let the sale of next year be more than this year, and you consistently grow your sales. Number two reason why your business is not growing: you are micromanaging too much. You cannot be everywhere. You are one person. I know Nigerian business owners, but are very careful not to lose money. See it in there. You will lose money. People will steal it. Because I've seen a lot of business people really keep their business small just because they don't want to open another branch somewhere, because they can't figure out how to make sure that person does not steal their money. And there's this mindset around it where you're not looking forward to growth for other people. You are just like, how do I amass everything? So if you are the type that you cannot let go of duties, you cannot let go of responsibilities, you are always in everything. Everything must go through you. You must be in the store counting the goods. You must be the one there when they are delivering to customers. You must be there when they are making it. You must be there when they are cleaning the toilets, because you need to be sure they are not hiding money there. Your business will never grow, because guess what? It's running on your energy. 100% your energy, because if you're not there, nothing happens. So you need to be able to let people do their job and not micromanage too much. Have eyes everywhere, but do not micromanage. Allow people grow, allow people build. Hire people and let them do their job. Number three reason why your business is not doing well is you hire the wrong people. Now, this is something very deliberate, and I had to go through this. I noticed that a lot of times, business people / entrepreneurs / whatever you want to call it, hire people that they are smarter than. They are consistently looking for people that they can intimidate, they can bully, people that they know will never challenge them, people that they know that this person is somebody I can crush, just so that they can keep this moral superiority. I can't call it moral, to be honest. It's just superiority complex, where you can be God over everything, and you don't want to hire people that are smart, because they have sharp mouths and they will criticize you when you do rubbish. Because of that, you meet business people that just have a lot of what's the technical way of saying dumb? People that are not very smart in working with them. Because why? They are the problem. They can't stand smart people, because smart people intimidate them. See, you have to get over yourself. You are not God, you are not king, you are just running a business. In fact, I feel like you should see yourself as some kind of employee in your company, because that's what you actually are, right? And allow people who are smart to talk, speak, criticize you, because you don't know everything, and that would help your business grow. Because if you only hire people you can intimidate and you're better than by far, you won't do well. Your business will just be as small as you are, and you yourself will not even grow, because you don't listen to other people and you only do what is in your head. So if you want your business to grow, hire good people. Deliberately look for people that are better, they are good, they are smart, they are more intelligent than you. Hire them, pay them well, and your business will do well. Now, if you want to learn more about hiring people, we did a video about it. You can check the link above for that video to see how to hire the best people in your company. Another reason why your company is not growing. This one is the most common one I've seen, the most common one. You don't have big goals. You do not have big goals. A lot of people start businesses, and to be honest, they started it to survive, and they really just stopped there. When they start surviving, they just feel like they're on top of the world. No big goals to drive the team. See, you need to set big goals. If you're going to attract the best people, you have to try to do something big. Because if you're doing something small, you only need like 2 salespeople. Let's not even call it salespeople. To be honest, what you need is 2 sales girls and 1 sales boy, and maybe 1 security guy to make sure that the shop is safe. Because your goal is not that big. Because if your goal is big, now you need this chief operating officer, now you need HR, now you need this, now you need that. So you need to set a very big goal. Set big goals. Most people's business don't grow because that's exactly where they want it to be. They are not trying to make it bigger. The very few ones that want it bigger will consistently be restless until it gets bigger. But if you set small goals, you'll be small. If you set big goals, you'll be big. So make sure that you are setting very big goals that when you think of it, they sound very impossible. When we started, we said 1 billionaire. Then when I said in one of the videos, I had like 5K in my account, right? And I was setting goal of 1 billion. Now it's realistic. So make sure you set goals that are really big, goals that you might even find scary. Set them. It will propel you and other people in your team to pursue them, get them, and grow the company. Now, the last reason, very important reason, if you do not listen to any other thing I've said, these last 2, the goals one and this one, if you do just these 2, you'll be fine. Last reason why your business is not growing is you are not growing. You grow your business based on the knowledge you have. What you see around you is based on the knowledge you have. The more you improve on your knowledge, the more your environments change, because now you know better. You know how to do it better. Now, when you start off in business, level 1, maybe you need motivation, you need this, you need that, you need to be a good salesperson. By the time you move from level 1 to level 2, what you need to do, completely different. What took you here will not take you to the next place. So you have to be very hungry for knowledge. Very, very hungry. Read books. Read a lot of books. Watch a lot of videos. Go for a lot of trainings. Improve yourself. Your business can only grow if you grow. If you don't grow, your business doesn't grow. So make sure you are constantly growing yourself, constantly growing your capacity, so that you'll be better and better every year, and your business is going to be bigger and bigger every year. Now, if you want more videos on how to run your business, like, subscribe, follow. You can follow us on Instagram and every other of our social media page. You can also share it with your other friends that are running their businesses and you want them to do well in it. Thank you. See you on the next episode.